Hey, this is James from Websites Made Easy, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a professional personal website step by step and customize it however you want with just simple drag and drop. It is easy and fun, and it's only going to take you 20 minutes. So let's get into it.
The goal is for you to create a captivating personal website so you can stand out from the crowd. A website designed to highlight your best work so you look like an expert right from the start. So what's your site about? Consulting? Is it a restaurant, coaching, fashion blogger, online store, fitness? This will help you get clear on some ideas for your website design and layout. Next, what is your goal for your website? Sell your products, market yourself, build a community, showcase your work or expertise? Is it blogging? This will help you get clear on a specific goal or outcome for your website. And lastly, you simply pick your starting point. And I love this because you can get started with any of these free starter sites and customize it to fit your specific needs, ultimately creating a very personal web presence for you and your audience. Your website defines who you are in your chosen niche. So it's important to make it personal. It defines the type of work you do, as well as the quality of work you do. And look, there's no reason to make this more complicated, overwhelming, and intimidating than it needs to be. Most people and companies have the website creation process wrong, and I finally figured out how to do it right. I finally figured out how to get people to actually complete their website. See, the old way of creating a website was to start off with a blank canvas, which is intimidating and overwhelming. You just have this blank screen staring back at you, and you don't know what to do or what to say. And that is horrible, and almost no one finishes it. I've been teaching people like you to create their website since 2012, and this is the biggest problem. And most people just don't complete it. It becomes way too overwhelming. Now, the good news is there's another way. So, how long has creating your personal website been a struggle for you? If you're a small business owner, entrepreneur, freelancer, consultant, or coach, then this video is something you absolutely must see now. You'll uncover some powerful tips on how to successfully create a personal website simply by watching this video today to the very end. Tips like how you can make a fully functioning personal website in less than 60 seconds and design and customize it however you want with simple drag and drop without being tech savvy or feeling intimidated or overwhelmed. It's simple and fun. How you can build any kind of website you want within one click using fully functioning, beautiful free starter sites, saving you tons of time and money. And how to properly set up your website so you can connect with your audience, get free traffic, and build an audience. Plus, the one thing you absolutely must avoid if you want to ensure starting your website successfully and sticking with it. Now, I don't know how much longer these starter sites will be available for free, so watch this right now while you still can. So what are the odds that you'll discover something totally unexpected and new today? Well, I can tell you this. What I'm revealing today is the cutting-edge way of creating a personal website. It's fresh, new, and different. Now, picture in your mind how much better your life will be once you finally have your website live online. A fun creative outlet, building your business, more time with your family and friends, more autonomy, and more time to enjoy life. These are just some of the benefits you're now enjoying. Your website has transformed your life, and it certainly has for me. I'll be walking you through our proven an easy 3-step WTC system, which stands for website, traffic, and customers. So the steps will be, step 1 is picking out and registering your website address. This is also known as your domain name. Step 2 is getting started with WordPress and installing the fresh WordPress theme that I'll be showing you here in a moment. And step 3 is getting your website online and designing it properly so it can be immediately viewed by visitors on the internet. WordPress is used by millions of people all around the world. Did you know that some of the biggest companies use WordPress? And some of the most famous people use it to run their own websites? People like Katy Perry, Jay-Z, companies like Forbes, Mashable, Sony, all are using WordPress because WordPress is just so easy to use. And anyone can create a website, grow it, and in time, gain thousands of fans. To give you an idea of what's to come, take a quick peek at the website we'll be creating today. So let's get started with step 1, which is choosing your website's address, also known as your domain name, just like ours is at websitesmadeeasy.tv. You're going to have your very own domain name too. And website hosting, so your website has somewhere to live and people can find it. Now, both of these are super cheap because I'm going to give you a special coupon code. So let's get started with step 1, which is choosing your domain name and getting set up with website hosting. So let's head over to Hostgator.com. Now, I use Hostgator not only for myself, but also for all my Websites Made Easy members because they're super reliable and they have awesome customer service. They know WordPress and are available 24/7 phone and chat support to deal with any issues or to answer any questions. Plus, I've been using these guys going on 10 years now without any real problems. Okay, so what you want to do now is click on Get Started in the middle of the page. Then select the hatchling plan if you only want one website. But if you're planning on having multiple websites, then I would recommend going with the baby plan, as this will give you unlimited domains. It's the only difference between the two. Now, this is really the only money you'll spend in this tutorial, and it comes under just $10 a month. It really is a small investment to get started with your website and have your business live online. Now, you want to register a new domain name. Now, hopefully you've really thought about this and picked a good domain name. If the name you want is not available, keep drilling down and use different URL extensions such as .com, .net, .org, etc., or even playing around with the actual name. Then go ahead and enter a username and security pin and choose the billing cycle you'd like. Now, I'm going to go with the whole year as it's slightly cheaper this way. Next, enter in billing information here and make sure you use an email address you can access, as Hostgator will email you with your login details afterward. Next, you'll see it's added on extras here. You want to uncheck these as you don't need them. And now you want to enter the coupon code here. So enter WordPress Hero to be sure to validate your savings. And you'll see the cost will go right down, saving you up to 60% off your entire hosting, depending on the hosting package you choose. If you decide to go with a year or more, it will unlock a free domain, which is cool. Now, you should know that we do get a small affiliate commission for anybody that signs up. And we're going to save you money by getting you the lowest price possible. So it really is a win-win. You get the lowest price possible, and we get a small commission for you signing up. So it's great for everybody. And it helps support us to continue to make this content for you. Now, when you're happy with everything, click on Checkout Now, and you'll be the proud owner of your very own new website address. Okay, awesome. Now, you'll receive a couple of emails from Hostgator with your login details and some links to different things. This is very important, so you want to find the Cpanel link here and click on that. The Cpanel is where you can install WordPress to your domain name and also do lots more stuff with your website. So log in using the username and password which you chose, and in case you can't remember, they're both in the email you just received. At first, this might look a bit overwhelming. It did for me when I first saw it. There's lots of different things you can do here, but all you need to do right now is find the software and services area. So scroll down and you'll see it here. Now you need to find the PHP selector, and we want to click that and then change the PHP software to the latest one. Currently, the latest one is 7.0 as I'm creating this video. By default, it comes set at 5.4. So we want to be sure to update this. Now, this will ensure your WordPress website is using the latest software. So make sure you update this. Now click back, and in the same section, software, find Quick Install and click on that and click on WordPress here. Okay, all you need to do now is fill in a few things such as the email address, the person who will be looking after your website. So if this is you, you can put in your email address, then your name or the name of the person as well. Now give your website a title, then your name and last name, and click on Install WordPress. Once you've installed WordPress, you'll get a success message that it's complete. Your username and password are here. You're going to use these to log into your website. You'll also get an email with all of this in it as well. When you're ready, click on this link here, which will take you to the login or back end of your website, so you can edit and start creating it. And you might get an error message saying that the page isn't available yet, and you might have to wait until everything with your new website is set up. Then click the link again. Now, this is completely normal. It just takes a little bit for your website to become live online. And also, you might have to set up the name servers for your new website. So don't worry about this. It's super easy. All you need to do is head over to Hostgator again. And once you're there, click on the customer portal. Now log in using the username and password, which you'll find in the email Hostgator sent you. Now you want to click on domains and click on your domain and find name servers. And then click on change. Then click on automatically point to my domain to my hosting account. Then save, and you are all done. Now you should be able to click on that link again, enter your username and password to log into WordPress, and you're in. Okay, awesome. You should now be in your WordPress dashboard, and you are now the proud owner of an online website. So congratulations. Well done for sticking with it. It's a huge achievement, and this is where the real fun is about to begin. And this is the WordPress dashboard, and think of it like the heart of your website where you can edit and change different things. Now, there's lots of different things going on in here, and we're going to talk about these very soon, so don't let it scare you or make you feel overwhelmed. It's not daunting at all. It's actually super easy to work with WordPress, and I'm going to show you how in this video. So the first thing I want you to do is just go ahead and X out any of these notifications. And if yours does look a little bit different than mine, you have some more notifications, that's okay. Just X them all out for now. Okay, awesome. So let's go ahead and take a peek and see what your website looks like right now. So head up here to the left and see the little home. Right click on that and open it up in a new tab. Now, as you can see, it's really plain. There's not a lot going on, but that's going to change. Now, as you can see, it's really plain. There's not a lot going on, but that's going to change real soon. We're going to get this bad boy dialed in and properly set up in a way to connect with your audience. Okay, so let's go ahead and head back to the WordPress dashboard area and go ahead and leave both these tabs open. This way we can see live edits. Now, right here where it says your site is currently displaying a coming soon page, once you're ready to launch your site, click here. Go ahead and click this now. This way we'll have a live page that we can take a peek at when we want, and it's not showing a coming soon page. So next, in order to easily change the functionality and look of our website, we're going to install a new theme. So the new theme is called Astra, and it's awesome. So to install the theme, let's head over here and then click on Appearance, and now click on Themes. And then click on New, and then search for Astra. Here it is right here. So we're going to go ahead and install this theme. So just go ahead and click Install, and then click Activate. Okay, awesome. So the theme is now activated, and now we're going to install a plugin which comes with this theme. So by installing this plugin, we'll be able to easily customize our theme. So to install that plugin, let's go to Plugins, and then click on Add New. Now search for the plugin called Astra Starter Sites. So here it is right here. So we want to go ahead and click Install, and then click Activate. So the plugin is now installed. Now this plugin has a collection of pre-built starter websites that you can use on your website. So to see those starter sites, let's head over here to Appearance and then click on Starter Templates. Then click on Elementor. Elementor is the free tool that you use to customize your website. And now you have all these different websites that you can choose from. It's amazing. Full websites. So some of them say agency, and that means they're paid. and we want to just go ahead and up here and toggle free. I mean, they have it all. Businesses, restaurants, interior design, artists, shops, pet stores, plumbers, dental, construction, fitness trainer. It's amazing. I mean, look at all this stuff. Never has it been so easy to make a beautiful website. Now, whether you're an entrepreneur, business owner, freelancer, influencer, you're covered, saving you a ton of time and money, and all without the overwhelm and headache of trying to get a website customized with a preset template. Trust me, it's game changing. So I'm going to go ahead and choose this design, and now you can see what the site will look like. Now, if you're ready to install, just click on Import the Site. Now the design and the demo content will be imported into your site. And once it's done, we can see how the site will look. So let's click View Site. Okay, awesome. So as you can see, the demo has been imported into our website. And now this is how it looks. And you can also see the other pages as well, which also have the demo content. So once you've got the starter site installed, you can now go to the final step, which is customizing the content. So to edit any bit of the site, you just have to go to that page and click Edit with Elementor. So let's say that you want to edit the home page. You just simply click Home and then click Edit with Elementor. And now we'll go into editing this section. So let's say you want to change the text here. You just select that text and then start typing anything you want. Now I'm going to update this text to let me help you build your website. So I'm going to select this and then just delete. Looking good. Now if we wanted to change the font, or actually the font weight, we could head over here to Style, then click on Typography. Then here's the family. We can select a new font right here, or change the size. And if we wanted to change the button text, we could just click into the button. I can update the text. And if I wanted just one button, I could click in this pencil right here and then delete. And now I just have this one button. And if we wanted to link this button to our contact page, we would just head over here and just pop in the link of the specific page you want to link to. That's it. Now, if you wanted to update this hero image right here, all you would do is click in these 6 dots, then head over here to Style, then right here, click Choose Image, and then we can upload an image from our computer. So I'm going to do that now. Then select Insert Media. Perfect, right? Now see how the image scrolls when you scroll? You can change that by heading over here to Attachment and selecting Fixed. And that'll create a parallax effect, which I think looks really good. Now if you wanted to change this overlay, you could head over here to Background Overlay. And then right here, you can angle it. I'm going to bring this over. I think that looks pretty good. And then you can change the opacity or get rid of the overlay altogether by doing that. And this is how you edit every section of each page of your website. So right here, if you click on the navigator, here are all the sections that make up this page. Here they are right here. Click on the section. You can move things around, almost like Legos. If you don't want a section, you can just exit out. That's simple. Now, if we wanted to go back to the starting, we can click History and then click Editing Started. And it'll take us to the very beginning. Or go back to a specific step. Pretty cool, right? So I'll close this out. When you're happy with everything, just go ahead and update. Okay, we're all set, and I just love this. It's so easy. You scroll down, you click in here. Here are the images. Click the pencil. You can add your own or delete them if you want. Update the text. Change a new image here. Click the 6 dots, go to Style. Change image right there. Or click in this image right here. Update the image right here. Real simple. So update any changes. And now let's go ahead and preview our changes and see what the site looks like. So go ahead and click the eye right here. Okay, awesome. So now you can see all the changes are here. So now you know how to edit any page on your website. Next, I'm going to show you how to edit the header in the footer area of your website. Now to edit your header, it's a little bit different. You're going to head up to Customize and click that. So to update your logo, just head over here and then click on the pencil. And then you can change the logo here. Now say you wanted to create a transparent header right here. Let me show you how to do that. So head over here, then click on Transparent Header, and then Enable on Complete Website. I think that looks really good. Now to update the colors of the menu, obviously, you can change your logo to adjust however you want it and the menu, but let me just show you in case you want to do it this way. So go to Menu right here and then click the pencil. And then for link text color, you can head here and then click white. Now if we wanted to change that hover color, we could go to hover and then select it and then change that to black. Looks pretty sharp. Then we can publish. Now real quickly, I want to show you if you don't have a logo, you can just head back over here, head back here to Site Identity, and then you can remove these and it will display your title. So we can update that here and then click Display Title. So there it is. Now to make that white, we head back here, go to Transparent Header, scroll down, and then Site Title, click the pencil, change it to white. There you go. Then we can click Publish, then X out of here. Yeah, that looks awesome. So now let's edit the footer. So head over here to Edit with Elementor and click on Footer. And same deal, just click in here, can update anything you want. Or over here. When you're done, go ahead and click Update. If you've made any changes, then click the 3 lines and then exit to Dashboard. Then head up here to the Home and then click Visit Site. So now you know how to edit the header and the footer area. Now what if you wanted to add a new page? For example, a product page. So it's very simple. All you need to do is head up here and then right here, click New and then click Page. So go ahead and title your page here and then click Edit with Elementor. So now it will take you to this blank section, and now you have a couple of options to create your page. Now first you can use the elements, which are over here, and then drag and drop them into this area. So for example, if you want to add a heading, you can just drag and drop this element here and then add in your text. And to add an image, you can drag and drop this element. So drag and drop it here and start creating your page. Or you can use a pre-built template. So we'll head down here, click on History, and then click Editing Started. And it will start back from the very beginning. Now we can click on one of these two to add in a page template. Now we've already been using this right here, which is Astra Starter Sites. So let's try this one. So we click this, and this is the Elementor page templates. So they have a lot of different pages. Now these are individual pages. So we'll search for product. And I like this one right here. So we can take a look at it. Awesome, right? And I'll import this entire page. So we want to click Insert. Now we need to connect to Elementor to make this work. So you just got to simply register real quick. Then it will take you back to the Elementor dashboard. So we want to head back to our pages. So click on Pages and then All Pages. And then head down and then click on the draft. So whatever you named it, and then click Edit with Elementor. Now once you register, you'll only have to do that once. So we'll click back into here, search for product. Then go ahead and select Insert right here. Okay, awesome. So here's our product page. And you edit it just like you've been editing any other page that we've already added to the site. So I could click in here to update the text or even change this YouTube video. So if I click this pencil, whoops, accidentally dragged it. Let me pop it back in there. Click the pencil and you can update the YouTube URL right here and add in your video. Pretty cool, right? Or if you didn't want a section, just exit out. And as you can see right here, we can't see our header. So we need to make an adjustment. So what we'll do is click on these 6 dots, click Advanced. Then right here, we want to untoggle the values. So we're only adjusting one of these. Okay. So I want to bring this down. Let's do about 100. See what that looks like. Then if you like everything, just go ahead and update. And then we'll preview the changes. So that is our product page. Pretty awesome, right? Can't see the menu up here. So all we'd have to do is just update the color like I showed you earlier. So now I'm going to show you how to edit this menu to where you can add pages or remove them. So we'll click on the site name and then click on menus. And here's our menu right here and our pages. Okay, so if you don't want one of these pages, you just remove it by clicking remove. Or we can add a page. So I can select this one and then add to menu. Move it around like that. Save menu. Check out the site. So that's it. This is how you can add new pages to your website. So now you know how you can launch your website by getting a domain and hosting, input the demo content, and then edit it to make it your own website. So if you're ready to start making your own website, just head over to Hostgator.com. It will take you to the page which we saw in the first step, which was choosing a domain and hosting. So just pick a domain and build your website. Thank you very much. I'm James Stafford.